Hello, and welcome to For Good Health. In this, the 7th title in our short video series, we will be looking at the 7 foods to eat to stop snoring, and how you can eat yourself to a quiet night's sleep. From our first video, we know that snoring is generally caused by some sort of blockage or inflammation causing restricted airflow in the airway. This in turn causes vibrations in the soft tissues, or snoring as we know it. The first food we will look at that can reduce snoring is turmeric. It helps to prevent inflammation in the nose and throat, and reduces the amount of vibration to the tissues. The next is garlic. Again, this is due to its anti-inflammatory properties and benefits in the same way as turmeric. Onions are known to have antioxidants. These can help fight off infection-causing bacteria in the nose and throat, which again reduces the incidence of snoring. Fish, which is high in fatty acids such as omega-3, can reduce phlegm production, and thus reduce the associated nasal blockage. Peppermint is another food that helps to reduce swelling in the airways, and thus reduces snoring. Honey helps by soothing and opening the airways, and thus reducing any blockage. And finally, pineapple. Pineapple has the advantage of being a natural decongestant, which again helps keeping airways clear and thus prevents snoring. Incorporating some or all of these foods into a healthy diet can help to reduce blockages and inflammation within the nose and throat area, leading to less snoring. We do stress that we are not a medical channel, so if you are concerned about your snoring, then we strongly advise that you seek medical advice at the earliest opportunity. I hope you have found this short video of interest. It forms part of a free series of short videos covering all aspects of snoring, sleep apnea, and remedies available. If you would like to pick up the series directly, just look in the description or the very first comment below this video for the link. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.